Facility operations are under constant pressure from rising costs, hybrid workplaces, aging assets, and stricter compliance. Maintenance backlogs are increasing rapidly. In a global market nearing $1.9 trillion, leaders are digitizing to stay ahead. That's where DreamzCMMS comes in. It turns reactive maintenance into proactive operations. It centralizes work orders, automates preventive schedules, and tracks assets in real time with RFID and IoT. Managers get real-time visibility and alerts to act fast, while technicians update jobs on the go with the mobile app. Manage spare parts inventory so technicians always have the right components on hand. Standardize incident reporting so issues are captured instantly and routed for faster resolution. Monitor energy in real time so anomalies surface early, waste is reduced, and utility costs stay controlled. Use AI-powered compliance checklists so every required step is followed and documented, creating an audit-ready trail without extra paperwork. Leverage analytics so recurring failures and delays are identified, prioritized, and addressed for measurable ROI. The result you ask: less downtime, faster responses, and full visibility from request to resolution. That's why facility management software is essential today and why companies choose DreamzCMMS.